Okay, today we're gonna make a key for a VW Touran 2017. We're gonna use a VVDI2. So this is a MQB system. I'll just launch everything and I'll come back with you guys. Okay, back with you guys. So this is a Continental, most likely. Yeah, neck 35. That should be a 1. Let's check. Yep. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna read the EEPROM, then we're gonna read the emo data, and then we'll make the dealer key, and we'll then learn the keys. Okay, so it's asking us to switch on with a working key. All keys lost. It's a complicated matter on these ones. Okay, so it gives us all the instruction here. Yeah. So it's reading the data. Yeah, that's fine. Read the data, and then they ask us to reset instrument, but only after everything's finished. Yeah. So just press OK. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save the EEPROM. Oops, sorry. Let's close that. Yeah. Let me go on the desktop. Yep. I'm just gonna name it VW Touran 2017. That's the EEPROM. Yep, sorry, my filming is not too good. Okay, now I'm gonna read the emo data. Okay, so it's reading everything. Yep. I'm gonna save it as well. That's it. So Touran. I'm gonna rename it emo. That's it. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a dealer key, but I'm gonna use a Xhorse smart key. So I'm gonna get that ready, and then I'll come back with you guys. Okay, guys. So I'm actually generating the smart key. This is a Xhorse key, and then I'll be cutting the key blade, which is on that one. It's HU162. It's got 9 cut, and then it's got 3 cut on each side. I'll show you that later on. But first I'm making the dealer key, and then we'll go back to the vehicle. Okay, so that's complete. Just wanted to show you, yeah, that's the one that I chose, Touran 2015-2019. I'm just going to go to the vehicle and make a dealer key, then I will reset the instrument cluster, and then I'll come to cut the key. Okay, so cluster still black because you know, it's dormant. We need to reset it once everything's done. So I'm just going to put the smart key here, and I'm going to make a dealer key. Yeah, it's a switch on with the working key. I've not touched it, it's been on. Oh, I know why. I pulled a little bit the OBD, so let me put it back. Okay, so I reconnected the OBD, and I just pressed make dealer key, and this is what it's proposing. So I'm just gonna go to VW. Make sure you tick that one. I'm gonna make a OEM key, yeah. So at least they can still use the Geico online things, you know, to if they need to update, if the car needs to go to the dealer, so they can still do it. And you can only do that with the VVDI, so the Xhorse remote, yeah. I'm going to choose that one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to check which one is the working key. So there's two keys here, the two original keys registered, so I'm going to check which one the customer has. So I'm going to press that. I'm going to remove the original key. I'm going to put it in VVDI, and we're going to read it. So yeah, okay. And basically the grade 1 is the working key. So you see this one, key number 2, is the working key of the customer. So I'm going to use this position to make the OEM key. So I'm just going to put back that stuff in. So you don't get scared, you switch on, it's still black. It's normal, I've not resetted the instrument cluster yet. So let me put that back here. That's the spare, the new one. So I check everything's fine. VW, OEM, I'm selecting this position. And then I click next. Okay. And it says, are you sure to make VW support Geico online key? Yes. It's add key. All keys lost, like I said, you need to buy the synchronized data, which is very expensive at the moment. So they asked me to put original key to VVDI and press OK. Yeah, this is to get the synchronized data. Very important, and I'm going to save it. See, they're asking, do you want to save it? Synchronized data, of course. So I'm just going to type it. Touran. And I'm just going to write sync here. Save it. Okay. Now they're asking me to put the VVDI key in there. I'm going to do that. Yeah. I'm going to press OK. Now it's starting to make the key, yes. Okay, all done. Dealer key success. Now I'm going to reset the instrument cluster like it's telling me to do it. I'm going to reset it. That's resetted. I'm going to check. So yeah, everything back. That's fine. So I'm going to go and cut the key blade. Like I said, this is HU162. So you see you've got 9 cut here and you've got 3 side cuts. So we're going to go and do that. Guys, just to show you, so you got 3 choices, yes. Mine is the 933, because like I said on this one, I can see there is 3 cut on the side, and this is a 9 cut. Okay, so now we're gonna decode it. Make sure everything's clean. Okay, yeah, I put position 1, should be on position 2. So let me just remove that, put that back. There is nicely on position 2. Let's try again. And the good thing is that it's gonna decode the main track, and then it's gonna give us the side cut as well. you don't have to decode it. It's going to work it out from the main track. I'll show you. See? So that's, you've got the main track, and then you have the B and the C. Okay, I'm gonna cut that. So this is the blank. We're gonna cut the main track, and then we'll come back to see how to do the side cuts. Okay, so the main track is cut, so I'm gonna swap to B, and I need to change to the D clamp. Yeah, before we use B clamp, now we're gonna use the D clamp. And basically you see that cut, so this is the same as that one, yeah, and we've got the little notch, so that's what I'm doing as well. I've got the notch, and I'm gonna cut that. Yeah, I'm gonna cut 213 here, B side. And what you need to do, I just use the blank key like this, and I put the one that I need to cut upright like this. Let's yeah. We'll come back once it's cut, just to show you how he cuts it. Yeah, that's the B side done. Okay, so I've just swapped it over. Yeah, that's blank again on the side, and I'm gonna switch to C. Okay, now we're gonna cut it. Okay, so I'm going to attach it to the key, and we're gonna go to the vehicle and program it. Okay, so we're back to the vehicle. Now we're gonna learn the key. So, you know, it tells you should have saved the EEPROM and EMO data as well. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one. Yeah, learn key logging with security cut from EMO data. So I'm gonna load the EMO data and make sure that I put the right number of keys that I want to learn, which is 2. And I'm gonna load the EMO data now, which is this one. Yep. Now let's go. I'm gonna just swap hands. I have no keyless for that one. There's learning. So you see key mode. Yeah. I'm gonna swap. I put the second one in. Yeah. And it's learn 2. Okay. And now I'm gonna press OK to finalize. And that's it, guys. All keys successfully learned. So now I'm gonna try that's the new one. I'm not pressing the clutch here. Yeah, all good. And remote. Perfect. Job done, guys.